Good afternoon, this is Rob with St. Catharines Truck and Tractor Freightliner. Wanted to take this opportunity to introduce you to our new 2017 Cascadia glider. Have a look here. A glider is a brand new truck with a remanufactured powertrain. Powertrain is going to come from donor vehicles. This particular model has a factory remanufactured Series 60 pre-emission 12.7 liter at 500 horse. It's got a factory remanufactured Eaton transmission, and it's got factory remanufactured axles. You have a look here. The entire truck is brand new except for those components, and they are remanufactured. Have a look. Remanufactured axle, can't tell. New fifth wheel, new frame, new tires. Everything on this truck is new. Have a look. You'll see large tanks. 150 gallons. We can put big tanks on this truck because we don't have that extra weight of the after treatment system that you would normally find on a truck with emission controls. You'll see nothing but a regular muffler. Have a quick peek underneath here. You'll see nothing but a straight pipe and a fuel tank where there's normally a super expensive after treatment system. Have a look inside of here. Another 150 gallon fuel tank. Cascadia LED headlamps. You'll also see on the opposite side, there's no DEF tank, just batteries. Underneath the hood, you will find, let me give this a little wiggle. Give me a second, gonna put the phone down. You're gonna find one of the best engines ever made, a Series 60 pre-emission. You've never seen this engine in this truck before, and this is the only one of its kind in Canada. This is made for Canada. This is Canadian Motor Vehicle Safety Standards certification. It's domiciled for Canada, so it's made for Canada, and it can be licensed in Canada. You don't need to import this one. It's made for here. You'll see the single turbo. These engines were pretty famous in their day for going 2, even 3 million kilometers without any sort of a major overhaul. And that's why we've chosen to put this particular engine into the truck. You see here, it's a brand new unit with some upgrades. The elite seats, the premium dash and gauges, cruise, tilt, telescoping wheel. This one has 92K. We put kilometers on it because after we assemble the truck here, we road test it and make sure everything's working as it should. You'll find a new refrigerator, mattress. This one has a subwoofer with Bluetooth audio and Sirius radio as well. It's a nice truck. This is, in my opinion, one of the best trucks you can get your hands on because you've got the new chassis, the Cascadia, with the better engine, which is the Series 60. This one has the insulation package, the extreme climate package, and this truck is just about ready to go. You can upgrade your warranty on the engine. This engine comes with a 3-year engine warranty from Detroit, which is honored North America wide. Same goes for the Eaton transmission, same goes for the axles. You can upgrade that to a 7-year package, and we can also add 5 years 5 years chassis warranty on the truck, which is going to cover all of your other major components. I want to show you what the engine looks like when it comes into us. It comes in as a reman unit and it looks like this. And then we install this engine into the Cascadias as they arrive. So this is the way that the engine shows up at our store. And you'll see here, it's remanufactured by Detroit Diesel. So it's not a warranty from the dealership, it's a warranty from Detroit. The transmissions come to us like this. The clutches come to us like that. And here's one that's sort of in the process. I think we just started this one. And you'll see the engine bay is empty. You've got a simple flex pipe. This is eventually all going to have to come off to put the radiator in and whatnot. But this is kind of the way the truck looks as it arrives in our store before we put that engine in. So, if you're interested in a truck that's going to give you a lot of uptime and it will not give you any regen problems, give us a call. My number is 1-844 489-8789. It's Rob with St. Catharines Truck and Tractor Freightliner. Thanks for looking. We'll talk soon.